In Microsoft Teams, a channel focuses on a specific topic or project where you can hold meetings, have conversations, or work on files together. Want to create a channel on the go? Go to the team you want, tap More Options, the 3 dots, and then tap Manage Channels, Add Channel, the plus sign. Type a name and description, and choose a privacy level, standard or private. When you're ready, tap Done. Since this is a standard channel, anyone who's in the team will be a member of this channel. To get the channel going, tap New Post, and then type the channel name to @mention it. Add text, and then tap Send. If you need to hide a channel, go to your team's list and swipe left on it, and then tap Hide. To unhide it, tap Hidden Channels, and then tap a channel to show it. You can also pin a channel. Swipe left on the one you want, and tap Pin. And to unpin it, swipe left again, and it's unpinned.